Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Mandarin fish in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, this is how the Mandarin fish looks like, and if you want to catch this fish, you're going to go to the whale sea. Okay, and this is one of the Call of Whales event fish. If the Call of Whales event is over, you won't be able to catch this fish anymore. Okay, just go to the whale sea, guys. It's right here. Okay, let me show you the location. And if you want to increase your chance of catching the Mandarin fish, I would like to recommend you to join the Neretic Shoal event by Fanya. You can track Fanya and you can start the event. From the event, you will have more chance of catching the Call of Whales fish. Okay, I just got the Japanese flying squid, not the Mandarin fish. But yeah, just explore this area, guys. If you're lucky, you'll meet the Mandarin fish. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the Mandarin fish in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!